Hi, Diksha here. Midnight craving. My son want cupcake at it's 12 o'clock at night. So here is the cupcakes. Diksha, what you want? How you ask for cupcake? Mama?
Mama, please give me cupcake.
Okay, baby.
Okay, baby.
Bye-bye to everyone.
Bye-bye.
What are you doing?
H
P A
A
T I.
I
Chapati.
chapati.
Thanks for making chapati. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, baby.
Thank you, baby.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I love you.
I love you.
Roll, roll, roll. Oh my god. I wish everybody got some like you. I love you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Diksha.
Good packaging.
Oh. Can you give me flying kiss? Diksha, give me flying kiss. Thank you. मेरा सोना मेरा बच्चा, I love you. How you say it? मेरा
Mera, I love you.
मेरा बच्चा, I love you.